Learning outcome. Children, at the end of the class, you will be able to learn about the converse of basic proportionality theorem. Today's agenda, word of the day, converse of basic proportionality theorem, the problems based on BPT and converse of BPT and summary. Instructions. Take your textbook, notebook, and pen. Watch the video carefully and note the important points. Next, solve the given worksheets. Word of the day, similar. It's an adjective. It means not differing in shape but only in size. Derivatives, similarly, adverb. Usages. Two circles are always similar. Next, the two boys look very similar. Next, what is not equal to similar figures? Namaste to one and all. A warm welcome for today's session. In previous session, we learned about the applications of basic proportionality theorem and its converse. Children, in your previous class, you studied about the criteria to prove the two triangles as congruent. They are SSS, SAS, ASA and RHS criteria. Children, in today's session, we are going to learn about the criteria to prove the two triangles as similar. So, let us start our today's session. Children, what are similar figures? Yes, two geometric figures having the same shape but different sizes are known as similar figures. Children, these are the examples of similar figures since these figures are in the same shape but not in same size. Children, what are similar triangles? Two triangles are said to be similar if their corresponding angles are equal and the lengths of their corresponding sides are in the same ratio or proportion. Note, children, the common ratio is called a scale factor. It means the ratio of the lengths of corresponding sides of similar triangles is called a scale factor. Next, this symbol is used to indicate the similarity. What are corresponding angles? Children, the angles of the two triangles that have the same measurements are called as corresponding angles. For example, from figure, angle A is corresponding to angle P. Next, angle B is corresponding to angle Q. Next, angle C is corresponding to angle R. Since these pair of angles marked with same color. Next, if the two triangles are similar, then the pair of corresponding angles are always equal. It means if the triangle ABC is similar to triangle PQR, then angle A is equal to angle P. Next, angle B is equal to angle Q and angle C is equal to angle R. Next, corresponding sides. Children, the pair of sides of the two triangles whose ratios equal are called corresponding sides. For example, from figure AB by DE is equal to 6 by 9. Now let us cancel 6 and 9 with 3 2 times and 3 times respectively. Then it remains 2 by 3. Next, BC by EF is equal to 8 by 12. Now let us cancel 8 and 12 with 4 2 times and 3 times respectively. Then it remains 2 by 3. Next, CA by FD is equal to 10 by 15. Now let us cancel 10 and 15 with 5 2 times and 3 times respectively. Then it remains 2 by 3. Therefore, AB by DE is equal to BC by EF is equal to CA by FD is equal to 2 by 3. Children, in these two triangles, the ratios of pair of sides are equal. Children, therefore, the side AB is corresponding to the side DE. Next, the side BC is corresponding to the side EF. Next, the side CA is corresponding to the side FD. Note, children, we must write the corresponding parts correctly for writing the similarity of triangles in symbolic form. For example, in two triangles ABC and PQR, if angle A is equal to angle Q, angle B is equal to angle P, and angle C is equal to angle R, then the similarity of two triangles should be expressed as triangle ABC similar to triangle QPR. Since angle A is equal to angle Q, angle B is equal to angle P, and angle C is equal to angle R, these corresponding angles must be placed in the same place while writing in symbolic form. Children, but we cannot write the order of the similarity as triangle ABC similar to triangle PQR, since angle A is not equal to angle P. Next, angle B is not equal to angle Q. Next, similarly, we cannot write as triangle ABC similar to triangle RQP, since angle A is not equal to angle R. Next, angle B is not equal to angle Q, and angle C is not equal to angle P. Children, however, we can write as either triangle BAC is similar to triangle PQR, or triangle CAB is similar to triangle RQP, since the pair of corresponding angles are equal in this order of the similarities. Next, identification of corresponding parts of similar triangles. Children, for example, if triangle ABC is similar to triangle DEF, then what are the pair of corresponding angles? Children, now let us identify the pair of corresponding angles as per the given order of the similarity. First one, angle A is corresponding to angle D. Next, angle B is corresponding to angle E. Next, angle C is corresponding to angle F. Since these pair of angles are placed in the same position. Next, what are the pair of corresponding sides? Children, now let us identify the pair of corresponding sides also with the given order of the similarity. First one, AB is corresponding to DE. Next, BC is corresponding to EF. Next, CA is corresponding to FD. Since these pair of sides are placed in the same position. Next, criteria of similar triangles. Children, two triangles are similar if all their corresponding angles are equal and their corresponding sides are proportional. Children, do we need to check all the corresponding angles and sides to prove the two triangles similar? No, it is not necessary to check all the angles and sides in order to tell if two triangles are similar. Next, children, there are three criteria to prove the two triangles as similar. They are side, side, side. Next, side, angle, side. Next, angle, angle, angle. Children, these are the three corresponding parts which are required to prove the two triangles as similar instead of all the corresponding parts. Children, what is SSS criteria? If in two triangles, sides of one triangle are proportional to, that is, in the same ratio of the sides of the other triangle, then the two triangles are similar. It means if the ratio of the corresponding sides of two triangles are equal, then the two triangles are similar. Children, this criterion is referred as the SSS similarity criterion for two triangles. Children, for example, from the two triangles ABC and DEF, we have AB by DE is equal to 5 by 10. Now let us cancel 10 with 5 two times, then it remains 1 by 2. Next, AC by DF is equal to 6 by 12. Now let us cancel 12 with 6 two times, then it remains 1 by 2. Next, CB by FE is equal to 9 by 18. Now let us cancel 18 with 9 two times, then it remains 1 by 2. Therefore, we got AB by DE is equal to AC by DF is equal to CB by FE is equal to 1 by 2. Therefore, the triangle ABC is similar to triangle DEF by SSS criteria, since the ratios of the corresponding sides of these two triangles are equal. Next, what is SAS criteria? Children, if one angle of a triangle is equal to one angle of the other triangle and the sides including these angles are proportional, then the two triangles are similar. Children, this criterion is referred as the SAS similarity criterion for two triangles. For example, children, from the two triangles LMN and QRS, an angle L is equal to angle Q is equal to 80 degrees. Next, ln by qs is equal to 3 by 6. Now let us cancel 6 with 3 2 times, then it remains 1 by 2. Next, lm by qr is equal to 4 by 8. Now let us cancel 8 with 4 2 times, then it remains 1 by 2. Therefore, ln by qs is equal to lm by qr is equal to 1 by 2. Children, in these two triangles, one pair of corresponding angles is equal and the ratios of the sides including these angles are equal. So, these two triangles are similar. Children, now we need to write the order of the similarity as per the equal corresponding parts. Therefore, triangle LMN is similar to triangle QRS by SAS criteria. Next, what is AAA criteria? Children, if the three angles of a triangle are equal to the three corresponding angles of the other triangle, then the two triangles are similar. Children, this criterion is referred as the AAA similarity criterion for two triangles. For example, children, from the two triangles LMN and PQR, we have angle L is equal to angle P is equal to 105 degrees. Next, angle M is equal to angle Q is equal to 29 degrees. Next, angle N is equal to angle R is equal to 46 degrees. Therefore, triangle LMN is similar to triangle PQR by AAA criteria. Note, children, if two triangles are respectively equal to two angles of another triangle, then by the angle sum property of a triangle, their third angles will also be equal. Therefore, AAA similarity criterion can also be stated as follows. Children, if two angles of one triangle are respectively equal to two corresponding angles of another triangle, then the two triangles are similar. Children, this criterion is referred as the AA similarity criterion for two triangles. For example, children, from the two triangles ABC and XYZ, angle B is equal to angle X is equal to 72 degrees. Next, angle C is equal to angle Z is equal to 35 degrees. Children, in these two triangles, two pairs of corresponding angles are equal. Therefore, triangle ABC is similar to triangle YXZ by AA criteria. Note, Children, if two triangles are similar, then a pair of corresponding angles are equal. Next, the ratio of lengths of the corresponding sides are equal. Children, these are called the corresponding parts for similar triangles, which can be abbreviated as CPST. Children, now let us solve some examples based on the criteria of similar triangles. First one, in the adjoining figure, triangle AHK is similar to triangle ABC. If AK is equal to 10 centimeters, BC is equal to 3.5 centimeters and HK is equal to 7 centimeters, find AC. Let us start. Children, according to the problem, triangle AHK is similar to triangle ABC. Now let us write the ratios of the corresponding sides as per the order of similarity. Then we get AH by AB is equal to HK by BC is equal to AK by AC by CPST. Children, now let us substitute the values of AK, BC and HK in this equation. Then we get 7 by 3.5 is equal to 10 by AC. Now let us simplify it by doing cross multiplication. Then we get 7 AC is equal to 3.5 into 10, which is equal to 35. Now let us cancel 35 with 7 5 times. Therefore, the value of AC is equal to 5 centimeters. Next, if triangle ACB is similar to triangle QPR and angle A is equal to 70 degrees, angle B is equal to 80 degrees, then find the angles of a triangle PQR. Let us start. Children, according to the problem, triangle ACB is similar to triangle QPR. Now, let us write the pair of corresponding angles as per the order of similarity. Then, angle A is equal to angle Q by CPST. Therefore, an angle Q is equal to 70 degrees since the measurement of an angle A is 70 degrees. Next, angle B is equal to angle R, again by CPST. Therefore, angle R is equal to 80 degrees since the measurement of angle B is equal to 80 degrees. Next, from triangle QPR, we know that angle P plus angle Q plus angle R is equal to 180 degrees by angle sum property of a triangle. Children, now let us substitute the values of angle Q and angle R in this equation. Then we get angle P plus 70 degrees plus 80 degrees is equal to 180 degrees. By adding these two numbers, we get 150 degrees. Now let us shift 150 from LHS to RHS. Then we get angle P is equal to 180 degrees minus 150 degrees, which is equal to 30 degrees. Therefore, angle P is equal to 30 degrees. That's all for today's session. Now, I request all of you to write the notes about the criteria of similar triangles and also solve the problems from an exercise 6.3 based on today's concept. If you have any doubts, then please post in Google Classroom. We shall meet again in the next video about the applications of the criteria of similar triangles. Thank you.